Alright, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for the dyno stand we have one of our LS 427 cubic inch 2.9 Whipple SuperCharged engines. This happens to be our 1,000 horsepower model. This thing came out absolutely awesome. Customer asked us to paint this a nice deep green color with the black accent pulleys to match the Whipple. I think he's going to really enjoy it. He's putting it into a 63 C10, which should definitely move that C10. If you like one of these motors built for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at any time at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to the dyno. I know you guys will be impressed by this one.